You are going to love the 2018. The Maserati Ghibli is a perfect combination of luxury and power while still providing a functional driving experience. The exterior styling screams Maserati, while the interior offers comfortable seating and well-defined dashboards. The Maserati Ghibli is a perfect combination of luxury and power while still providing a functional driving experience. The exterior styling screams Maserati, while the interior offers comfortable seating and well-defined dashboards, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, center armrest, universal garage door opener, trip computer, electronic stability control, leather upholstery, cargo net, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.